Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 13. Goal setting for your family.
It is important to know where you want to go as a family, where you want to be in 20 to 30 years' time, and in the many different areas of family life. Nobody packs a car to go on a holiday with their suitcases and surfboards, their roller skates and footballs, without first having made some plans of where they want to go. If we did that, we may be considered a little strange, yet many of us have no real plan for where our family is going in life. Notice I said no real plan and not no real idea, as these two words mean totally different things. We all have many ideas floating around in our heads, probably some good ideas and bad ones too, but an idea will only ever be an idea until it manifests in the natural world. Have you ever heard of an invention on the market and thought, gee, I had that idea years ago, I wish I'd followed it through? The difference was that the inventor took the idea and made it real in the natural world, and because he did, he is now reaping the benefits of the idea. Goal setting for your family is the first step toward developing a plan or strategy about where you want to be in the future. Taking it beyond the idea stage and writing it down on paper initiates the process of bringing it to pass. Note that I said process and not a one-time event. Goal setting is like laying down a railway track that you want your family to run on. It gives you an element of certainty and assurance that you will ultimately arrive at your destination and not end up in Perth if you are aiming for Tasmania. To begin goal setting for your family, it is important to get some input from every member of the family if possible, especially your wife. Discuss your hopes and dreams openly, and don't hold back or overly rationalize initially. Dream a big dream, believe in the very best for your family in every area you can think of. The more detailed your life goals are, the better, as in going through this process, you will draw out from your heart the things that really matter to you.
Suggested action.
Write down your goals for every area of your life: physical health, financial, relational, marriage, family, assets you want to acquire, holidays you want to go on, spiritual positioning with God, etc. Also do a simplified version that you can put up in a prominent position, where it will catch your eye regularly. Pray over your goals daily, and release your faith that God will help you bring them to pass. Begin to plan a step-by-step process of seeing your dreams become a reality. After you are doing all these steps, stand back and watch what will happen.
Scripture references.
Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2. Then the Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain on tablets, that he may run who reads it. Mark chapter 11 verses 22 to 24. So Jesus answered and said to them, have faith in God. For assuredly I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, be removed and be cast into the sea, and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that those things he says will be done, he will have whatever he says. Therefore I say to you, whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you will have them.
A father's testimony.
Fatherhood is a man's main goal and appointed purpose in life. Sunday, Adaliah.